Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of Snapchat and learn how you can use it to promote your products and boost your sales. Before we start, if I could ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, that will help a lot. How to use Snapchat for product promotion. Snapchat is a popular social media platform known for its disappearing content and engaging features. It's a great tool to showcase your products and connect with your target audience in a unique and interactive way. Let's explore some effective strategies for leveraging Snapchat to boost your sales. Strategy 1. Create behind-the-scenes stories. One way to generate interest in your products is by taking your audience behind the scenes. Show them the making of your products, the creative process, or give them a sneak peek into upcoming releases. This creates a sense of exclusivity and builds anticipation among your followers. Make sure to use Snapchat's story feature to showcase these moments. Stories are a collection of photos and videos that disappear after 24 hours. You can add captions, filters, and even interactive elements like polls or swipe-up links to keep your audience engaged. Strategy 2. Offer exclusive promotions. Everyone loves a good deal, right? Snapchat is an excellent platform to offer exclusive discounts, promo codes, or flash sales to your followers. Create a sense of urgency by making these promotions time-limited or available to a limited number of people. You can use Snapchat's direct messaging feature to send these promotions privately to your followers, or make use of Snapchat's Discover feature to reach a wider audience. By making your followers feel special, you encourage them to take action and make a purchase. Strategy 3. Collaborate with influencers. Influencer marketing is a powerful tool, and Snapchat offers a great platform for this type of collaboration. Partnering with influencers who have a large following relevant to your product can give your brand a significant boost. Have influencers take over your Snapchat account for a day, or feature your products in their Snapchat stories. This exposes your brand to a new audience and builds credibility through association. Remember to choose influencers whose values align with your brand to ensure an authentic partnership. Strategy 4. Engage with your audience. One of the best ways to promote your products on Snapchat is by actively engaging with your audience. Respond to messages, reply to snaps, and encourage your followers to send snaps of themselves using your products. Snapchat also offers fun features like lenses and filters. Create branded lenses or filters that users can apply to their snaps, making it a fun and interactive way to promote your products. User-generated content is incredibly valuable for your brand's visibility and credibility. In conclusion, Snapchat is an incredible platform to promote your products and boost your sales. By creating behind-the-scenes stories, offering exclusive promotions, collaborating with influencers, and engaging with your audience, you can leverage Snapchat's unique features to create excitement and drive sales. That's all for today's episode on how to use Snapchat for product promotion. I hope you found these strategies helpful. Remember, be creative, stay authentic, and have fun while using Snapchat to supercharge your sales. Leave a comment if you have a question and I will respond as quick as I can. Thanks for watching.